Hello, I'm Marta Evanson, Senior Designer with Living Water Landscapes. And I'm here with my client Stephen in the Aliante area, having a lovely cup of coffee on this beautiful Saturday morning, enjoying his newly installed landscape. We were working towards getting him some privacy in the back. Eventually that's going to grow up, give him a lot of privacy, beauty with color, a great place to hang out with blooming plants and vegetable gardening and fruit trees. And that's kind of what we ended up with, and it's turned out really, really nice. And you have been a charm to work with, Stephen, absolutely. Let me ask you, how was your overall experience with Living Water and myself?
It was phenomenal. I was, at the time I was in truck driving, so I was away from the house quite a bit. So was not here available all the time, but would talk with Marta, had some appointments, and she did great. She designed everything, only had to move a couple things, but majority of the work here is from her design and her input. So once the design was in, then I was out on the road and they got to work. It was a very hands-off approach. They just sent me a lot of pictures and I liked the progress. They did a phenomenal job. I didn't have to worry about nothing, so I enjoyed it.
Well, that sounds like it was fun for you.
Oh,
That's how we try to make it. And how was it working with our team?
It was really good. You guys created a group text with the contractors and the designers. So there's always updates daily, so that was nice. If I had any questions, I always reached out and you guys responded within a couple hours, same day, so it was good.
Yep, that text thread really makes it easy to communicate with myself, the designer, the project managers, those in the office, as well as with you. If I couldn't answer the question, somebody else was doing it for you. So let me ask you this, what is the favorite part of your landscape?
Well, the number one thing I wanted was a water feature. This is definitely my favorite part. In the evenings and mornings, little critters, birds and hummingbirds will come and take baths and drink from it. So I love watching it from the living room and when I'm washing dishes from the kitchen. So it's perfect.
And would you recommend us to others?
Yeah, definitely, because I had no problems. They literally did all the work, hands off. I had no worries, and the pricing was good, and they got it all good done.
Well, thank you very much, Stephen. It's been a blessing working for you, and I appreciate your confidence in us very much.
Thanks, Marta.